Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we can talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. And I'm sad. I'm very, very sad. The temperature is 58, I think, and I had somewhere to go today that I could take the bike to do it, and I came by to get it, and it won't start. I knew the battery was getting a little weak, and I haven't rode it in a couple weeks due to Thanksgiving and the weather, so I hadn't put it on a battery tender, and it cranked, but not enough to get it started. So I stuck it on the battery tender. I'm gonna go do what I gotta do for a couple hours and skip lunch, and we'll see. Maybe I can take my lunch hour and go ride my bike before the sun goes down. Hopefully. If so, then you'll see this. If not, then you'll never see this clip. Later. Well, we're back. You can hear that sound in the background. If you know, y'all know what that means. It means we're gonna get to do a little bit of riding. It might only be 30 miles. Since the bike is, gosh, be 4 years old, I think, next week. You know, it's due for a battery. It didn't surprise me that sitting for 2 weeks that the battery was getting weak. It does have a LED light system on it with a controller, so that is always reaching out looking for signal and draining the battery a little bit. We have the security system which drains the battery a little bit. I have a USB plug wired straight into the battery that probably has a minimal charge or minimal draw. I'm sure those little direct battery USB charging stations, plugs, have some kind of minimal draw, especially if they have a light in them to show you that they're powered up and working. So, following kind of a cool old car here. This little boy's going to turn off. I like his bumper sticker. I'm sure some people won't, but that's okay. Old school. So, now I got this vlogging helmet set up. I kind of wished I had it set up back in November. So I'd have loved to taken a ride down this road, filmed it for a friend of mine, one of my brothers. This is a shout out to Spencer. He's a service member deployed in Korea right now without his bike, stuck overseas, away from his family and friends. I know he's made brothers over there in the service, but that doesn't mean his brothers here don't miss him. I wish he was here to ride with us still. So, shout out to Spencer and to all those other members who have served or are serving currently. I'd have rode this road on Veterans Day, giving him a shout out for that. But I'd had to make it pretty short ride because I think on Veterans Day I took my daughter four-wheeling, and I did a video on that. Well, I filmed a bunch of stuff. I haven't put the video together, but I need to put that together. I think I might have got some good footage, be entertaining, maybe not so much to the motorcycle community, but put that on my personal channel or something. We'll see. Oh, this thing didn't want to crank earlier. Y'all tell me 4 years, does that sound about right for a battery, factory Harley battery? You gotten longer? You gotten shorter time out of life out of one? And what did you pick for a replacement? Or what do you recommend? I've bought a lot of UASA batteries for four-wheelers and ATVs and UTVs and things like that, and I've had good luck with them. I have no complaints. If you put Walmart in the comments, I'm putting a thumbs down on that. I ain't buying no more Walmart batteries. I bought a Walmart battery and it didn't last so well. We're done working for the day. It's time to ride home. Let's make sure this battery held a charge and she still starts. Well, looks like we're good to go home. Later, y'all.